How to add a field in Zoho CRM. Of course, go to your Zoho CRM homepage first, of course, then click on the gear icon here at the top right corner, and then look for customization. Under customization, click on modules and fields, of course, and then for example we want to add a field here on the leads. Just click on leads and then click on fields here on the top. Of course, we want to add a lead, so let's click on create and edit fields. As you can see here, I can already see all the fields that I can add here in my leads tab. So for example, I just drag my single line here, add it here, and I can just rename it like anything if you want, like Gmail ID, something like that. And then that's it. You can also add fields here in quick create, like the lead owner, title, and mobile number, website, anything. After that, just click on save. Just edit it, edit fields here however you want. After that, just click on save here, top right corner. That's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you in the next video.